Hello, I'm Suraj. I'm from Bailongal. Recently, I have graduated from Jain College of Engineering, Belagavi in Electronics and Communication branch. I got to know Emertxe through some of my seniors, and also my friends recommended me. Basically, Emertxe helped me to gain strong knowledge in core subjects like C, C++, and microcontrollers and Linux internals. In placements, basically we need projects. If we have many project means the company will shortlist us directly. So we have done many projects, around 7 to 8 projects, which got us shortlisted in companies. I have attended around 2 to 3 interviews, and I got placed at third interview in Slicktronix. My whole journey in Emertxe was very good. The mentor support was very good, and also they were clearing each and every doubts at any time, and the mock interview gave us confidence to give interviews in many companies. The one who is inspiring or to become an embedded engineer, they can join Emertxe. They will get very much hands-on experience in core subjects, and also many projects and all.